Hi, I'm Allan Whiting from Outback Travel Australia. Today we're going to show you how to do a temporary repair on a tyre in the bush. It's not a repair you should use on the highway, but for low speed bush work it'll get you out of trouble. So the first thing you've got to do is find the leak. In this case we can hear it, but sometimes you can't if it's only a very small hole. So a bottle of soapy water is very handy. Whoa! Sometimes you just get a little bubble, but here we've got like a hose, so we better plug it. In the repair kit you get an auger, but don't use it unless you have to. If you can get the plug into the tyre without making the hole bigger, that's the better way to do it. In the repair kit you'll get an insertion tool, some lube and a few of these sticky tyre plugs. So let's whack it in. With the plug about halfway through the insertion tool, you're ready to stick it into the hole in the tyre. First, dip it into the lube, push the plug in, sometimes it needs a fair bit of effort, and if it won't go in, then you'll have to use the auger. And don't make the hole any bigger than you have to. So leave about that much of the plug sticking out, then slide down the collar and pull out the insertion tool. Now it's time to check your handiwork to make sure you have plugged the hole. Excellent. No bubbles. Now it's time to trim off the excess plug, because if you don't, there's a risk that the friction on the road will pull it out. So cut it off flush. Now you can pump the tyre up and check it regularly. And remember, when you get to civilization, take it to a tyre dealer for a professional assessment and repair.